This is Northampton Shop Eye Channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns, not Cape Town City 1. My brother, tell the viewers what's your name and where do you come from?
My name is Tabza. I come from Mule, Chakamakibere. Yeah.
You're wearing Skukuni.
Yeah, Akiba Binanok. And speaking about Skukuni, let me start by saying congratulations to the team.
Yeah.
Congratulations to the chairman and everybody in the club, the supporters.
Yeah.
It has been a tough season, but at last we have qualified for CAF. We are going to CAF,
Exactly.
and we are at position 4.
Congratulations, my brother. We'll come back to Skukuni. How do you feel about the game today?
As for the game today, it was something that
The one.
Yeah, it was something that we expected, Khotman. It was something we expected. Pela Sundowns, when they are on the verge of breaking a record, they always make a mistake.
They make a lot of mistakes.
They always make a mistake. They were in the. I think they were supposed to win that match against Esperanto to go to the final,
Exactly.
but they failed.
They made mistakes. Yeah, even
Same-
last season, Wydad, Mvala, on goal.
Same mistake.
Yeah.
Today, even the same mistake. Mvala
Big
made the
record,
mis-
Mvala
same,
made, yeah.
same mistake. So it's tough for them. I don't know what's the problem, but then they gotta fix it.
Yeah, maybe they have saved their players for the final.
Yeah, maybe Mara they didn't save the players. They were fighting.
Yeah,
they were fighting. Just that
But Chalulile, I didn't see Chalulile. Lodge there. No?
Lodge was, I think Lodge is injured.
Exactly. Oh, yeah,
But
yeah.
some of the players they were saving them for the final. It's a big one against Pirates, a big one. So for them today, it was just they've broken the record of 73. It was just the record of breaking an invisible run. But even if they won today, now we are not going to recognize it as an invisible run. Remember, they didn't play against Swallows.
Oh yes.
They didn't play against Swallows.
Yeah,
So it was not.
Yeah, you
never
must
gonna be an invisible run.
support us, yeah.
No, it was not going to be an invisible run. How can we say invisible run?
Yeah.
While they were donated 3 points. So we cannot recognize it as an invisible run even if they won.
No, wonderful. Tell me, lastly about your team.
Yeah.
I saw you have put your coach Siema in special leave. We know what does special mean in South Africa. It means it's amicable.
And I was thinking there's no special leave. Even if at a job they suspend you, right now at the job they suspend you.
Yeah.
When they start telling you
Special
return the company's property,
Exactly.
it's something. It's something. But yet, Coach Siema is a good coach. I still say that again. He took us from position 14 to position 4. He's a good coach. He created Skukuni, the Skukuni that we expected for many years. In the 4 years, I think this was the best season of Skukuni United because of Coach Siema. So we gotta give respect to Coach Siema. Yet we don't know, and we don't want to get into too much what happened in the dressing room, whatever happened the time they were discussing the thing. But I think this Coach Siema, if he did a mistake or the management did a mistake, one must apologize.
You're supposed to sit down and talk.
Yeah, one must apologize for the team, for the sake of the team.
Yeah.
One must go and apologize to the other
I
one.
think another thing is, South Africans don't respect their own coaches. They respect those foreign coaches, and when we try to grow our coaches here, including the chairman, the players, they don't respect them. But then Iri Middendorp or Mamang from outside, they'll want to respect him. Maybe he wanted more money or what, but he deserves that. You understand? But what can we say?
What can you say?
Congratulations and all the best.
you.
Next year, go and represent us well. Go Confederation.
Yeah, there's no way you're gonna represent us well.
Thanks.